I just taking out a video to show you guys rain in Florida. Lot of rain, lot of rain. Coming on and off, but it's coming very heavily. You see the houses go in a row in the backyard. People planting mango tree, pear tree, pigeon peas tree. That's nice. Well, my backyard has flowers, flower plants. A pine tree. The trees are so tall, you need to be cut now. Got a big mango tree in the back, and cyclone tree, cherry tree, leaf spinach, star fruit, mangoes. There are little mangoes on the tree. I need to water my house because the rain's coming so heavy down, eating out the, like washing away the dirt around the house. Uh, it's been very dry. There wasn't any rain or anything, and then suddenly we got a little shower. So we thank the Lord. We take it. A lot of little mangoes up there. Well, I'm about to end the video. Hope you enjoy it. It's a little video, just want to show you some rain. But as soon as it started flame, the rain seems to easing up. But it's still very, very overcast. It's coming back. So I'll still continue to video for a few minutes more. See that big tall tree over there? There was about 4 in the back here, and we had to cut it down because when the hurricane comes, start breaking up limbs, breaking the electric and telephone wires and stuff. So now where I am here now is very nice. The backyard is clear, and the neighbors in the back, they're very clean. I have my little company here. He's not feeling too well, so he's got kind of itch. But the nature of that dog, no! He's licking the I got the root stuff there. Look at the overcast here. Clouds moving. Okay, folks, hope you enjoyed a little video. This is Kissimmee, Florida. Very nice to live here, but it's a little crowded, especially when you're on the road. And I gotta look out for some people drive very bad. All in all, God is good. And dark clouds. I haven't been posting much YouTube videos. I've been a little slack um, because my computer is now working properly. So when I take out the videos from the action camera, it's hard to send it to the computer and then upload and download. So I prefer using the phone. It's kind of more simple for me. But then we know that the phone uh, it has only certain amount of um, space. So I take a little bit video at a time, then I upload them, then I erase, then I implement again. Working Samsung. It's an old phone, but it really works like a new phone. Okay, folks, this is all for now. Enjoy the video and always subscribe. Thank you, and may God bless you.